So you want to become a virtual assistant, but you don't know what services to provide. I'm going to tell you 20 beginner-friendly services you could start providing. Anyone can start providing literally today. So let's dive right in. Number one, email management. Sorting out and organizing email, responding to simple inquiries, flagging important emails for immediate attention, deleting or organizing spam, junk emails. Number two, calendar management. Scheduling and managing appointments, setting reminders for upcoming meetings, sending out calendar invites, rescheduling or canceling appointments as needed, data entry, updating contact lists, spreadsheets or database, putting information into CR systems as needed, organizing documents and files, online research, conducting research on various topics, for example, finding information on vendor events and location, looking up travel options or accommodations. Number five, travel accommodations. You can provide this as a whole service. Booking flights, hotels, and car rentals, creating detailed itineraries for the whole team, researching travel destinations or local attraction, booking dinner reservations for the team, social media management. Scheduling posts on social media platforms, responding to comments or messages, monitoring engagement, and collecting data. Number seven, making phone calls or sending out text. Making follow-up calls on behalf of your client, managing and screening calls, sending SMS reminders or notifications. Number eight, personal errands. Ordering gifts, groceries, or other personal items, coordinating appointments, for example, doctor's appointment, haircuts, home repair, nails. Entrepreneurs are really busy and they might need someone to manage their personal calendar just as badly as their business. Number nine, document preparation. Creating simple documents like reports, presentations, and spreadsheets, setting reminders and deadlines, organizing personal or work tasks using tools like Trello, Asana. Number 11, customer service or client relations. Responding to basic customer inquiries, sending back thank you notes or follow-up emails to clients. Number 12, event planning assistant. Helping to organize personal events like birthdays, parties, family gatherings, or on a professional note, you can help client meetings in a restaurant, client lunches, client dinners, or in-person conference meetings. Budgeting and expense tracking. Keeping track of expenses or personal finances, assisting with invoices creation or managing it, organizing receipts, and preparing simple reports. Managing subscriptions and memberships. This is so overlooked. Tracking and managing recurring subscriptions, canceling or updating subscriptions as needed, sending reminders or renewal dates, online shopping and comparison, researching the best deals for products or services, comparing prices across different websites, purchasing items based on preference or budget, document filing and organization. Organizing digital files in document, cloud storage, or Google Drive, naming and tagging documents for easy retrieval, backing up important files to ensure data is always safe and secure, managing online reviews and feedback, monitoring and responding to reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, Amazon, flagging negative feedback, and ensuring follow-up or resolution. Content creation assistant. This is so important. Writing or editing simple blog posts, social media captions, or newsletters, gathering images, quotes, or information to content creation, designing content on Canva. These are the day-to-day tasks that are super simple, anyone can provide, and business owners that desperately are seeking for virtual assistants to do these simple tasks. So if you want to get into virtual assistant and you feel like you do not have any experience, these are the basic tasks anyone can provide right now, and you can start working with clients and get all your clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or by utilizing social media. You can open up your own business account on Instagram and start marketing these services and work with business owners like online coaches, real estate agents, therapists, dermatologists, or product-based businesses as well. Trust me when I say this, everybody needs assistant. Being a virtual assistant is the best thing right now because Forbes just announced the virtual assistant role is the second most highest paying and the fastest growing, and also that requires no experience. And I just gave you the top 20 services you could provide that requires zero experience. For more videos on how to become a virtual assistant, how to start freelancing with zero experience, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.